Sony has always been known for its innovation in the photography world, and its lenses are no exception. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, choosing the right lens is essential for capturing stunning, high-quality images. So, we've done the research and tested out the latest Sony lenses to bring you our top picks. We have listed the best Sony lenses 2023 and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Sony E-mount FE24M Phone.4 GM. The new FE24M Phone.4 GM utilizes Sony's most advanced optical technologies to satisfy the needs of the most demanding photographers. The lens is the most compact and lightweight in its class as of September 2018, measuring approx. 75 mx, 92 m3.0 x 3.64 inches, and weighing only 445 grams 15.7 ounces, with a filter diameter of 67 ma. Sony's Nano AR coating is applied to reduce lens flare and ghosting. The lightweight lens design has been realized in part by the development of a new high-powered DDSSM direct drive SSM that delivers approximately 3 times greater thrust than the previous focus system. The lens has a linear response when focusing manually, which is useful when recording video. A manual aperture ring and a customizable focus hold button are also available. Number 4. Sony FE50M Phone.2 G Master. Combining speed, versatility, and quality, the Sony FE50M f1.2 GM is a normal-length prime that flexes a bright f1.2 design and advanced optics while remaining portable and lightweight for everyday shooting. Compact Phone.2 prime lens, WA awe-inspiring G Master resolution, and bokeh phone. 2 max aperture for extraordinary shallow depth of field. 3XA extreme aspheric elements for stunning resolution. The 11-blade circular aperture contributes to gorgeous bokeh, ideal for both full-frame and APS-2. Also include a sophisticated focusing system to suit both stills and video needs, and a reliable physical design that's intuitive to use and durable enough for working in harsh environments. Number 3. Sony FE85 MFA 1.4 GM lens. A prized focal length for portraiture, the FE85 MFA 1.4 GM from Sony is a fast, short telephoto lens designed for mount mirrorless digital cameras. Characterized by its flattering perspective and fast FDI 1.4 maximum aperture, this lens is adept at isolation focus for shallow depth of field effects, as well as performing in low-light conditions. The optical design incorporates 3 extra low dispersion elements to reduce chromatic aberrations, and 1 XA extreme aspherical element, which significantly controls spherical aberrations for a high degree of image sharpness and clarity. Additionally, a Nano AR coating has been applied to limit ghosting and lens flare for increased contrast and color fidelity when working in strong lighting conditions, pairing a bright f1.4 aperture with a short telephoto focal length. This 85mm lens is ideally suited for portraiture and other situations where focus control is paramount. Number 2. Sony FA1635 MFE 2.8 GM A fast and flexible wide-angle zoom. The FA1635 MF 2.8 GM lens from Sony is a wide-angle zoom designed for a full-frame mount mirrorless camera. This lens offers consistent performance throughout the zoom range and benefits working in low-light conditions. E-mount lens of full-frame format. Aperture range FA 2.8 to FA 22. 2 extra low dispersion elements. 3 aspherical and 2 XA elements. Nano AR coating and fluorine coating. Direct drive supersonic wave AF motors. Focus hold button. AF/AMF switch. Dust and moisture resistant construction. 11-blade circular diaphragm. Number 1. Sony FA2470 MF 2.8 G Master II. The Sony FA2470 MF 2.8 GM Zoom is the ultimate choice for those seeking the highest possible optical performance for portrait, travel, and event photography, or even simple, everyday shooting. Built with three spherical elements including a newly developed, extremely precise XA extreme spherical element that reduces aberration and delivers the ultimate resolution throughout the entire zoom range and aperture range. AD extra low dispersion glass element and super ED glass element keep chromatic aberration to a minimum while maximizing resolution and bokeh without any unnatural coloration. To maximize usability, this lens also features a moisture-resistant design, AFC-MF switch, circular aperture, nano AR coating, compact, a direct drive SSM supersonic wave motor, focusing system that is super smooth and quiet, making it an ideal choice for shooting both still images as movies. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up. Is always appreciate that. Also feel free to leave a comment or suggestions in the comment section for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting responses to many of those we can. And if you've subscribed to the channel, welcome to our Valid Picks family. You should check out the description for the links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope everyone has a great day. I'll see you in the next video.